Every day, most construction teams lose around 40% of their time to admin, manual reporting, and searching for updates and information. With the third generation of real-time project management, that time is given back. Every update, every decision, every task is instantly visible to anyone, so you and your team can focus on what truly matters, delivering value. In the third generation of real-time project management, you work directly in teams, and it's simply a tab on top that can be added. On the front page, you see an overall timeline of the project, so everybody knows where we are and where we are going. There's 5 KPIs of your choice. There's a project performance metrics. In this demonstration here, there's delayed activities, there's quality incident, there's non-conformity. Then there's my to-dos. That's the person who is logged in that tells exactly what activities you are responsible for. Here you can see I have 5 requests for information I have to reply on, and there is 4 documents I have to review. Underneath the dashboard, we have the modules where you operate. In this configuration, we have a correspondence that I will demonstrate later. Then we have document management, which is a game changer. It has an integrated comment sheet, and you can package documents. So it's really a game changer in reviewing document efficient. And of course, it's powered by AI co-pilot agents we trained. Let's have a quick look at the correspondence module. The correspondence, on every module, a little dashboard specific for this process. And here you have KPIs, you have a split on the responsible work stream, you have a split on the stakeholders. There's a contractor and employer. There could be multiple contractors. There's a list of all the items, all the correspondence, types, responsible work stream, and the specific responsible person from the contractor employer. There's a status and the to-do, and we can make a new one and we can fill on it. Let's have a look at one specific one. There will always be a communication log that tells who wrote what, when. There will always be interactive flow charts because every process have a start and a finish, and it will be, when you click on it, it will change status right away. It will stamp when it was done and by who. Here we can see we can select what type of correspondence it is. We can select the work stream, and the work stream will automatically assign it to the specific person defined in the roles and responsibility matrix. On every screen, there is this menu, easy navigation between the modules and the configuration of the project. Here you have the responsibility matrix, the time registration, and the team members.